Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G's detailed spec sheet has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, as we know, we are just 5 days away from the Galaxy Unpacked event that will be bringing the next generation of foldables, and while we wait, rumors has painted out a complete picture of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G, which is the Samsung premium phone for 2021. Especially given the absence of the new Note, this is going to be the device which Samsung is going to be promoting to be introduced for masses. Anyhow, as we heard many times in the past that the new foldable will support the S Pen, additional screen details and more are now reported by WinFutures. The new Fold will be having a two dynamic AMOLED 2X displays, both making out the 120Hz of refresh rate, and the external display will have a 6.2 inch of diagonals and as before will be guaranteed by Gorilla Glass Victus protection. There will be a standard 10 megapixel camera punch hole in the display. The internal screen also maintains its dimension. A 7.6 inch of screen is going to be present here, and this means that both the display have over 370 ppi pixel density. This panel will be coming with the world first ever foldable under display camera sensor in the device, and it will be having a 4 megapixel of resolution. Moving on towards the set of cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will maintain the triple camera setup on the back side as it's the predecessor, and almost it is coming with same unchanged camera sensor. The main module is going to be having an optical image stabilization built in, and the sensor will be having a smaller pixel resolution of 1.4 micrometer while keeping the dual pixel autofocus included inside. Next is the telephoto module that is coming with a 2x of magnification and an optical image stabilization inside. And finally, we have a 123° of ultra wide camera sensor which is also coming with an optical image stabilization inside. One major changes from the last year is that Samsung will be enabling the 8K video recording inside the device. However, the leaks pointed out that Samsung will be bringing the 8K video recording inside the device, but it's not going to be possible with a 12 megapixel of a sensor, so this bit of information might be wrong. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G will be powered by Snapdragon 888 with no Exynos variant mentioned by rumored specs. Like the last year, the chipset will be paired with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage, and unfortunately this time around we are not going to see any expandable storage, which means no micro SD card slot is going to be available in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Anyway, Samsung has also worked on the design and also the slimness of the phone. When we are going to open the phone, it is going to be measure around 6.4mm in thickness, while when it is closed it will be of 14.4mm, which is down from 16.8mm from the Galaxy Z Fold 2. There is no place to put the S Pen inside the device. In fact, you have to buy a separate case which is definitely going to be coming with the S Pen support, where you can put that S Pen just like the S21 Ultra. And looking about the render images that has been leaked for the cases, the case will make the Z Fold 3 even thicker on the back side. One of the things which I definitely going to be liking is the IPX8 water resistant. This technology is not only going to be coming in the Z Fold 3 but also the Z Flip 3 will be coming with the same technology, and this water resistant make the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 as the world first ever devices that are going to be supported by water resistance. So definitely this is going to be a great option to have. Also, Samsung has apparently tested the Z Fold 3 to 200K open and close cycle. That is same as the 5 years of opening the phones 100 times a day. Anyway, the battery capacity will take smaller hit and will measure of 4400 mAh, 100 mAh down from the last year. Samsung will maintain the 25 watt of fast wide charging along with the wireless charging support inside the device. So honestly, this is not going to be a much improvement in the charging capabilities. And for connectivity, the phone will be having a 5G modem and will feature an eSIM support inside with the additional regular SIM. A few additional things to mention are the fingerprint reader and the stereo speaker. The fingerprint sensor are mounted on the right side in the power button, where the stereo speaker has been improved as judging by the latest leak. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G will be starting at a price of 1900 euros in the Europe and is expected to become available. Fans will be having 3 color options, which are Phantom Green, Phantom Black and Silver. So guys, all in all, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will definitely going to be a device which is coming with great specification inside, great innovation inside, under display camera, IPX8 water rating, and also coming with the S Pen support are the 3 major things which make this device as one of the best device of all time. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.